find the doctor?
Not yet.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
What would you like for dessert?
I will have some ice cream.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Does this radio belongs to you?
Yes, I think it does.
What do you do?
I am a lawyer.
I wondered if you could buy me some pencils.
Sure.
May I help you?
Can you show me where I can find toothpaste?
Here's a picture of my niece.
What a cutie.
I like skiing very much.
Do you like hiking too?
How's your wife?
She is good.
When is it convenient for you?
I am free on Sunday.
It's pity that you can't come.
You will all have fun.
Did you buy a house?
No, my parents gave it to me.
Where do you have your lunch?
I have my lunch in a snack bar nearby.
Do you have less expensive ones?
No, these are the cheapest ones we have.
Thanks for watching. Like,
Like,
share and subscribe.